Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. That's where these green line annotations are coming from. Friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So yeah, this chart is going to continue to take shape over the entire weekend. So if you're watching this Sunday evening, Sunday afternoon, then yeah, the chart is going to look different for you. My goal here, though, from the presentation standpoint, is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, the first update, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from yesterday, but we were tracking this uptrending trend line here, and I made a comment that if the price falls below it, then the immediate next level to keep an eye on is 35 cents. And I'm not patting myself on the back, but I'm going to pat charts on the back. Because you can see the price ultimately did fall down through that green line there. And then sure, it didn't hit 35 cents exactly, but I think we can all agree the price did get within the range of 35 cents. And so far, so good. The price is holding up above 35 cents. So now that trend line has been violated, we'll just get rid of that. But question number one, let's say you're watching this Sunday afternoon. So you're watching this video Sunday afternoon. First question has to do with 35 cents and nothing fancy, just where's the price at relative to 35 cents? If you are answering the question that the price is still up above 35 cents, then great. That would imply that maybe not necessarily anything has moved upwards, but at least the price is still going sideways and building this higher base. And that is important because in the event, like I said, you are answering the question that the price is still above that level. Well, that would imply that you'd have this set of lows here. You'd have that set of lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, the overall stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. So that's why 35 cents, very important. Now, if you are answering the question that the price is below it, a little gut instincts and common sense comes into play, meaning if the price is just so slightly below it, okay, I mean, that's not good, but it's not like it's totally a train wreck. Now, if you're watching this Sunday afternoon and the price is down here at 33, that's just, that would be the price having totally rolled back over and the bears essentially being back in full control. So 35 cents, definitely a very important level. Now, if you're answering the question that it is above 35 cents, the next key question to ask yourself is about that purple line right there, which I've talked about in past videos, but that is the 50-period simple moving average. And this is just being a very stubborn area of resistance. Several times the price has tried to get up above it and just hasn't been able to. But if you're answering the question that the price is actually up above that purple line, so let's say if the price is up above 39 cents or above, that would be telling you that the bulls are actually having themselves a nice weekend. So use these overall levels and just ask yourself those questions, and that'll keep the chart relevant for whatever time you happen to be watching this video. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.